নমস্কাৰ জ্ঞান বিকাশ ইউটিউব চেনেলৰ আন এটা ভিডিঅ'ত আপোনালোকক সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো টিচিং এপ্টিটিউডৰ ওপৰত দ্বিতীয় ভিডিঅ' হয় এটো অলৰেডি আমি প্ৰথম ভিডিঅ'ত আপলোড কৰিছো যদি আপোনালোকে সেই ভিডিঅ'টো চোৱা নাই এবাৰ গৈ চাব পাৰে তো পলম নকৰাকে আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টো আমি আৰম্ভ কৰো তো আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ প্ৰথম কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে বাই হুইচ অফ দা ফলোইং দা ডিসকভাৰি মেথড অফ টিচিং ইজ এক্সাম্পলিফাইড তো আমাৰ অপচন কেইটা দিয়া আছে ৰুট লাৰ্নিং audio video lesson independent study by the project and none of this তো আমাৰ কারেক্ট অপশন হ'ব অপশন নাম্বার এ root learning দ্বিতীয় প্রশ্নত আছে students those do not need visual needs are কোনবোৰ হয় general level lower level higher level so none of this next আছে various types of teaching help the students ঠিক আছে various types of teaching help the students to কিহৰ কাৰণে get the benefit maximum limit understand the lesson better make the lesson interesting and all of them ঠিক আছে বেসিকে টিচিং অর কারণে কি হয় এই কোটেই কেটার আমি বেনিফিট পাও তো all of this the best method of learning অর best method বুলি কৈছে কোনটো মেথডক best method বুলি কৈছে অপশন নাম্বার 8 হ'ব কারেক্ট lecture and doing method next আছে student will not pay attention in the class till the time the writing the board curiosity is not developed in the minds of the students not ask question discipline is maintained in the class tamar correct option hob option number b jetialoike subjector proti studentor monto ami ki koribo nuaro interest to hiator attract koribo nuaro tetialoike classroomot ki hoy attention nidie next ase the element that makes class interesting ki ase personality of the teacher lesson plan study method and teaching method option number d to be correct teaching method next ase which of the following a teacher must be able to ki ase gain respect make the subject interesting teach the student as per their desire teach the students as per their need tama correct option do option number b make the subject interesting etu ikkokor ki ase mukho kam next ase different experiments are done in teaching because teaching becomes easy students pay attention in the class teaching becomes interesting on all of them so our correct option to option number d all of this next is when a teacher should present video clip in the class video clip ketia mane dekhabo lage so during the explanation after explaining before explaining and none of this so our correct option to option number b after explaining the content kono eta content bujhar pisote hey content related video to ki koribo lage classroom দেখাবো পারে নেক্সট আছে which one of the following is true in project based learning or project based teaching or কি কারণে কোন তলত দিয়া কোনটো সঠিক বুলি কৈছে load on the teacher is very high load on the teacher is very low load on the teacher is moderate and no load at all তোমার correct option to option number a load on the teacher is very high next is by which of the following the conceptual problems can be best described conceptual problem তলত দিয়া কোনটোৰ জৰিয়তে আমি ভালকে বুজাব পাৰো through video clipping through audio clipping by lecture method and through audio video clipping তোমার correct option to option number d through audio video clipping next আছে knowledge of internet is knowledge to কি হয় কারণে is beneficial for the students ঠিক আছে ইন্টারনেটৰ নলেজ থাকিলে হেতু কি ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীৰ কাৰণে হেতু কি হয় বেনিফিট বা উপকাৰী হয় নেক্সট আছে which of the following devices is suitable for class or room audio visual tv digital projector cinema and film strip projector tamar correct option of option number b digital projector when you are told to accommodate one mentally retarded to mentally retarded মানে কি বুজাইছে যোনবিলাক মানে ব্রেন টু এতিয়ালৈকে ডেভেলপ হোৱা নাই not mature ঠিক আছে বয়স তো হইছে physically mature but mentally not mature they are mentally retarded child in your class you will কি কৰিব refuse to do so request the principal to put the child in the section mean for the হিয়তৰ কাৰণে যদি এক্সট্ৰা ক্লাছৰুম আছে তাতে পঠিয়াৰ কাৰণে কি কৰিব প্ৰিন্সিপালক ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিব ignore such child in the class learn the method to teach how the students and accept the child আমাৰ correct option to as a teacher আমি সকলোকে সমান চাব লাগে সেই কাৰণে option number d to হ'ব আমাৰ correct next which one of the following is the characteristic of project based teaching or কি আছে বৈশিষ্ট্য কি it is non psychological it is theoretical does not give freedom the students to work it includes the physical and mental activity so d to our correct it is includes physical and mental activity for the students next is which relation between a teacher and students do you think eto ami hokole paiso horor para ki like father and son eto ami huniye thako A successful teacher is he successful teacher ka koa hoy when he recreate the students in the class sufficiently to develop the knowledge of the subject, whose discipline is very rigid, whose expression is effective. So our correct option to option number D, expression is effective. Which of the following act ensures the code of professional ethics be evolved and adopted by the teaching community? Right of children to free and Compulsory Education Act 2009, Right to Education Act 2002, both A and B are none of this. So correct option to option number A, Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. Next is the most essential quality of teacher is social service, knowledge of his subject, hard work and immense love of his student. So correct option to option number B, knowledge of his subject. You want to adopt the teaching profession because kihor karone ami adopt koribo khoju, there are many others in your family who are teacher, there is no other option to learn livelihood, children give more respect, you get the opportunity to handle and train the future of the student. So amar correct option to hobo option number D. Next is a teacher must be a man of good conduct, as teaching is the nation builder. A teacher is worthy of being imitated by the students, people respect him to make his teaching effective. So our correct option of option number A, teacher is a nation builder. Next is students pay respect to the teacher who teach in the right manner, is very healthy and handsome, has a several degrees and qualification, teach the students must. Correct option to ki option number A to our correct, teaches in right manner. Next is the basis of reservation according to you should be, reservation to ki hor oporot bhitti kori hobo lage, bortoman ami ki hor oporot pai asu caster oporot no, to caster oporot hobo na lage, ki hor hobo lage option number C to hobo correct, poverty. Next is only a teacher can take the society to the path of progress, as he is dedicated toward the society, is also a social creature, can also the right path the future of the future citizens of the nation, think less about himself and more about the society. So correct option to option number C, can show the right path to the future citizen of the nation. Next is some students generally arrive late in the class, they give a alibi, that is an excuse কিহৰ কাৰণে কি বাস লেট হৈছে, তেতিয়া হেতু সিচুৱেচনত কি কৰিব লাগিব। অপচন কেইটা দিয়া আছে, you would tell them that you would not accept the excuses, মানে যোনটো এক্সকিউজ দিছে এটা আমি একসেপ্ট নকৰো। you would advise them to catch the bus earlier, আগতে বাসটো ধৰিব লাগিব। you ignore them, আৰু কি আছে to punish them। আমাৰ কারেক্ট অপশনটো কি অপশন নাম্বার বি। নেক্সট আছে education can be best described as, education কি হল লগত জড়িত গৈছে, এটো আমাৰ অপশন নাম্বার এ হ'ব কারেক্ট, the process of flowering the innocent mind, the process of এটো নহয় ইমোশনাল ডেভেলপমেন্ট না ইন্টেলেকচুয়াল ডেভেলপমেন্ট নহয়, কি হ'ব আমাৰ অপশন নাম্বার এটো হ'ব। এই কেইটাৰ মাজত অপশন নাম্বার এটো বেছি সুইটেবল। নেক্সট আছে the most appropriate attitude toward the society is to have relation with some people, to have relation with all the people in general, to have special relation with people, to have relation only one's own reliable people। তোমার কারেক্ট অপশন টু অপশন নাম্বার বি, কি আছে সবৰ লগতে সম্বন্ধটো ৰাখিব লাগে। নেক্সট আছে the best method to inspire the students for hard labor is one should himself do hard labor, seeing which students will be inspired spontaneously। তোমার এটো কারেক্ট হবো অপশন নাম্বার এ, laborious students rewarded, lecture about the importance of hard work is delivered, the example of success through hard labor is presented। তার পিছত কি আছে, freedom in education means the spirit of opposing the rules of the school regularly, the students will do anything they want, one's growth freely and the recognition of other freedom grow similarly, teachers are free to teach as they think। তবে correct option দেব option number C। next is which one of the following is the duty of a class teacher, class teacher এর কর্তব্য কি, check the books, exercise books, scales of the students suddenly, check the lunch box of the students and advise them to take healthy food, check the cleanness of the students। তো গোটেই কেইটাই দৰকাৰ, তোমাক কারেক্ট অপশন দেব অপশন নাম্বার ডি। আশা কৰো এই ভিডিওটোৰ পৰা আপোনালোকে অলপ হলে শিকিবলৈ পাইছে। যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগে ভিডিওটো লাইক কৰিব, শেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। থ্যাংক ইউ।